Hits 94 today got 3 blaster boxes of 22, 23 Parkhurst Champions. They come with the mini 51 blue exclusive parallels. So let us begin. It's only one per. It sucks. They didn't do enough of those. There's not enough 51 retros in these, even in hobby, sadly. Let us begin. All right. Rich Marner, silver, Oscar Olesen. I doubt there's a short. Oh, it is a short print rookie.
Gross.
Oscar Olesen, short print rookie. Why? Why does it have to be him? At least he's a little better.
Gross.
Here's our blue. Nick Suzuki and a Jordan Harris blue 51 mini.
It's a rookie.
Yeah. That should do fine. Mika Zibanejad silver. And a Jason Robertson 51. That's the second one of those I've pulled. I have to compete with myself when these go up on Comsy. That's no fun. Chris Letang, silver, and a Mika Zibanejad photo color variant. Lindholm and a Kochetkov rainbow.
That's okay.
Yeah. Right now for box 2, that box was...
If you get 2 of the retros, you're not going to get like a gold promo.
Oh, okay. The gold rainbow.
Yeah,
right?
gold rainbow.
Okay.
Tastes like chicken.
Simon Holmstrom. Caden Gooley.
That's your short print.
Yeah. Better than Oscar Olesen. There we go. Morensky and Philip Deneau. Rainbow. Shabbat and a Seth Jarvis.
The wire photos suck.
Photo. Yeah.
They should be part of the set and not foil.
Yes. Base set, like, they were in the base in the last...
yeah, and could have autos on them.
Leon Draisaitl and Joe Pavelski.
It's not Jason Robertson.
Yeah, I thought it was Jason Robertson again. Thankfully, it's not. Although Joe Pavelski is... Mangiapane and Ron Hextall.
Derek had 2 of those.
No. 51 blue.
At least it's an actual legend.
Yep. And not another Jason Robertson.
I think the legends, like short print vet base, are going to do quite good.
A wasp sold on eBay for $20.
Just for a base card.
Yeah. They are tough, though. Kubalik, Brant Clark. That's probably the short print. Yep.
No short print vets, though.
Unfortunately. Right, here's our blue. Jack McBain.
It's a big set.
Yeah.
Minis.
But Jack McBain. I don't want Jack McBain. Robert Thomas and Elias Lindholm.
Player selection is not great.
No.
There's apparently variations too, right?
Yeah.
That no one will be able to tell.
Yeah, it's tough. Cam York. Tomorrow's Riches.
Gross.
And last pack of this so far quite uneventful opening. Oscar Olsen silver short print rookie, and Goss's Bear rainbow. Nothing much. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Or
Bye.
shit!